It is 11:11 a.m. Thursday morning, September 4th, 2024 at the Metra Amtrak LaGrange Road Station on the BNSF Railway Chicago Subdivision. We're looking at a BNSF crew repairing a broken rail on the middle track. Highly unusual. First time I've ever seen this. Boy, that rail fits up there perfectly on the high rail truck. Ain't that cool? There's the new rail ready to go in. Metra's just announcing that westbound Metra is going to be delayed. I wonder why. Could it be this activity here with the broken rail? Now they're measuring just to be safe. Boy, this is something else. I've never seen this, and I've lived here for many, many years. Well, in LaGrange Park next door. was he just doing, sir?
You made a measurement?
What was it, grinding something?
Yeah, no. We made a measurement to fit that rail in that space. And we had to cut that excess piece off.
Oh, he was just cutting an excess piece?
Excess piece
Oh,
off.
thank you.
Fit in there.
He was cutting an excess
You
piece.
gotta give me your YouTube channel before you
Yeah, I'll give you a card here.
Okay, yeah,
Help yourself. Take
Okay.
one.
Thank you.
That'll be my priority
I'm gonna
tonight.
check you out when you post it up.
Okay, yeah.
All right.
That'll be my priority upload
Oh,
tonight.
yeah, upload that so I can tell what.
I've never seen this before. I've lived here for years in LaGrange Park, you know.
Here we go.
Well, I got to catch a Pace 330 bus for an EMD retiree lunch, so I'm going to have to sign off. It's now 11:21 a.m. Thursday morning, September 4th, 2024. The Metra Amtrak LaGrange Road Station, LaGrange, Illinois, on the BNSF Railway, Chicago Subdivision. Repair of a broken rail, over and out.